I'm gonna show you guys how it looks before I wash it. So how we're looking, like I said, my hair hasn't been washed. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube. I know I look crazy right now, but as you can tell by the title, I'll be doing kind of a DIY on how I dye my hair with hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. I don't know if you can tell, but my ends are kind of already dyed. I wanted to make sure it worked before I did it, so I just did my ends just in case I had to cut them off. So yeah. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the rest of the video. So what you'll need is hydrogen peroxide and baking soda, doesn't really matter what brand, and a bowl to put your, ingredients in. So what I'm gonna do is put my hair in sections and apply it to each section from scalp to end. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna spray my hair with a little water and conditioner beforehand because it is kind of rough right now, So I'm gonna add some water and conditioner to it first, and then I'll apply the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide, and I'll show you guys how I mix it and get it. Alright. Dang, you can tell the difference between before when it was kind of stretched with the water. Shrinkage is really something. Like, look at this. It touches my neck. And whatever. So with the hydrogen peroxide, you don't have to put a whole bunch, but I'm doing my whole head, so I'm gonna need more than what someone who's just doing their ends or their tips would need. Oh my goodness. It's kind of a deep bowl. I don't know if you can see. I'll bring it down to this is how much I put in there. Okay. The baking soda. Need about half a cup of baking soda. With that, it looks like this with the water and the baking soda, and I'm just gonna mix it with my hands. So this is the final product. Like I was saying before, I'm gonna section my hair. So for this, I'm gonna split it down the middle, and then I'll do it in sections and twist it after I apply it. Alright. So, this is my hair before, how it looks, and I'm going to apply it. harder than it was the first time when I just did my ends. Like Essence is like my whole head. So I have half and half done. Like this half of my head is done. And then just have this. So, show you guys what I'm doing. Just and be in front of a sink, at least for me, it's liquidy, so it drips. So it's easier if you're already in front of a sink. Like you can tell how messy this is. Like look it's all over my face. But you want to make sure you get your edges too, you know, so you don't have black edges. Whatever color hair you have. This is how we're looking right now. Okay, so I'm gonna go put a plastic bag on it. Yeah, and I'll be back. Okay, so I realized while I was doing that, my ring light wasn't on. So, anyways, so yeah, I have the plastic bag. I know most black people, not all, not trying to be stereotypical, but they keep the Walmart bags. So that's what I have on my head. If not, you can use the little plastic shower caps, whatever you want to use. Okay, so this is how it's looking before I wash it out. Before. I don't think I got all of it, but look it. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks before I wash it. So how we're looking, like I said, my hair hasn't been washed. Probably would have been better if I combed out my hair before I did this. This is how we're looking. Okay, we'll be back. So this video is kind of all over the place, but I realized that I had to do an outro, and so yeah, this is after conditioning, washing, and all that stuff. And also tips, I would advise you, you see how like my edges are? I would advise you to probably make smaller sections than I did, because I made big sections. And parts of my hair are still black because of it, which I don't mind, but some people may mind. So my advice to you is to thoroughly get all the hydrogen peroxide and baking soda on your hair. Okay, so thanks for watching. It's been real. See you on the next episode of Tori Nicole TM.